all the stiles and rails cut out for the face frame and for the two side panels. My next step will be to cut these tapers on the legs, and also I'm going to have to cut a 3/4 by 3/8 rabbet in the face frame to allow the side panels to recess into it a little bit. Okay, so the reason why I put this 3/4 inch wide by 3/8 inch deep rabbet in the edge of the face frame, so this is the edge of the face frame, so this, where the rabbet is, that'll be where the side comes back. This is one of the stiles for the side panel, which will fit into that. So the corner then becomes 2 inches this way and then 2 inches this way because it sits into that rabbet. So that's the purpose of the rabbet. Makes a stronger joint, and it'll be aesthetically pleasing because it is symmetrical and the same width. The overall width of my vanity cabinet is 48 inches. So I have 2-inch stiles and rails all the way around. So I want to have 3 equal openings. So if I minus the 2 inches in between, that leaves me with approximately 13 and 5/16 for each opening. That should be about as close as I can get there. So I'm just going to lay these out. I'm going to attach all this, the face frame, with pocket screws and glue. So I'm going to get everything laid out in the right spots, drill all my pocket holes, glue it up and screw it up, and the face frame should be ready to go. For the sides of my vanity, I wanted a recessed panel. So what I did was I built my frame out of 3/4 inch pine, and then I rabbeted a 3/8 by 1/2 inch deep groove on the inside of my side panel frame. And then I got 1/2 inch MDO plywood, which then slips inside of that groove. So I'm just going to glue that in there, and that'll make for a really nice strong panel, which then will become the sides of the vanity. To attach the side panels to the face frame, I'm going to glue the rabbet, glue this edge of the panel. I'm going to clamp it place, like so. And then I'll probably put a few brad nails through the side just to help hold it while the glue's setting up. The clamping part is going to be a little bit of a challenge. Another set of hands would be nice here. Not too bad. So what I'm going to do is put some brad nails in, shooting in this way, because I got clamps holding it this way, but I want to also make sure it's in all the way that way. So, nail gun. Now I kind of have to work quick here because once I get these sides glued on, I want to get it flipped up and put the bottom in, and that'll keep it nice and square. So, carefully. Now my bottom I made out of 3/4 inch MDO plywood. I've got it all cut to size so it should slip right in. Okay, so I'm going to glue this down and then I'm going to screw it through the cleats from the bottom. Well, that's the bathroom vanity all assembled. It's got to clean up some of that glue squeeze out there and then give it a finish sanding and put some paint on it. Then I can start on the doors and drawers.